Yeah, good morning. So this is a case study. It is based on the power system planning and its operational studies. So before planning and executing the erection of any kind of power plant, it may be thermal power plant or it may be nuclear power plant or it may be hydroelectric power plant. So the power system planning, it plays a major role. Okay, so we have to forecast the future for another 10 to 15 years. So as well as the operational studies. So it is inclusive of the monitoring the real-time data like real power, reactive power. So what is the power factor? So what is the power flow? What is the transmission losses? And we have to consider and we have to monitor and we have to calculate the power flow, load flow analysis by using the Gauss Seidel or Newton Raphson method. So according to that, we have to monitor all the data in a single system. So that much amount, that much operational studies has to be implemented for the integration of renewable energy if it is needed in the future expansion. So now they will discuss about what is the power system planning and what is the operational studies which are asked to be considered while erecting the power plant and operating the power plants. Yeah, you can proceed.
Good morning everyone, I am Aradhana and today's topic is power system planning and operational studies. Power system planning and operational studies both are essential for reliability, economic development and stable power supply, whereas power system planning mainly focuses on cable expansion and network development, while operational studies deals with day-to-day and recurring power system plans, and they both deal with utilities meeting high growing demand and empowering system efficiency.
Hi, myself Mashikiran. Power system planning concerned with the future requirement of the electrical networks. It includes with the generation planning, transmission planning, and then distribution planning. The key factors include with load distribution, and then the power system planning concerned with the future enhancement of the electrical networks. It includes the generation planning, transmission planning, and then distribution planning. Key factors involved with load infrastructure and then the generation station with the renewable energy. The main case, it includes with the generation of the planning. It includes with the adequate capacity, minimum planning, and then the low cost investment with the environment capacity.
Hello everyone, myself Sivraj. I conduct the operational studies of a power system. The operational studies mainly focus on short-term operation in a power system. It also includes unit commitment, economic dispatch, and load flow analysis. The main goal of power system is to operate a system safely and economically while balancing supply. These studies help operator can decide which generator to be run and how the power supply flow through the network. Thank you.
Hi, myself Kanishka. System stability and security analysis. An important part of operational studies of system security and stability analysis. This includes voltage stability, frequency control, and transient stability. Here, contingency studies means the study of the impact of faults, line outages, or generator failures. These studies ensure that the system can withstand disturbances without leading to blackouts or equipment damage.
So the role of renewable energy. Today, more electrical power is generated through renewable energy. So these renewable energy depends on weather conditions. So it is not always constant. So the output power is always not constant. So the maintaining and the operation of power system is always because of this, the planning and operation of the power system has become difficult. So using technologies like smart grid and energy storage and AI tools to monitor the power systems, it is more flexible
be concluded. In conclusion, power system planning and operational studies are equally important because planning ensures future readiness while operational studies maintain present-day reliability and efficiency. With growing demand, advanced planning tools and real-time planning and real-time operational strategies are essential for a sustainable power system. Thank you.
So based on the discussion, so both the power system planning as well as the operational studies is plays a major role. So here the main objective of power system, we have to generate the electricity and we have to supply to the consumer without any interruption. So that is the consumer, they are always expecting the uninterruptible power supply. So here the power system plays, it is a major role because nowadays compared to the coal-based thermal power plant, nuclear power plant, the renewable energy sources are day by day is increases. So according to the report, the Tamil Nadu is the #1 state in India. So that was the production of electricity from the renewable energy sources, especially wind energy. So also the solar-based thermal power plant, solar-based thermal-based power plant is also day by day it is increases like near to the sea source like Thoothukudi and some other places. So the main objective, we have to integrate the renewable energy sources to the existing power plant, that is nothing but power grid. So here at the time of planning, so we have to give the importance for the integration of renewable energy, so that will support possibility for the integration, then transmission of electricity has to be ensured. And also we have to ensure the power flow between the source to load. Okay, so we have to ensure the fault analysis, the various types of fault which are occurring in the transmission as well as distribution system, like mainly in the summer as well as winter time. So it plays a major role. So before doing the maintenance work or erection of power plant, so we have to plan this kind of activity. Okay, thank you.